Have you ever picked up a hitchhiker? Just about every time I see someone I stop. But this past year I have had 3 instances of car trouble. I had a blown rear tire, had a spare but no jack. I had signs in the windows of the car, big signs that said need a jack and offered money. Right as I am about to give up, a van pulls over and Mexican dude bounds out. He sizes the situation up and calls for his youngest daughter who speaks English. He conveys through her that he has a jack but it is too small for the Jeep, so we will need to brace it. He produces a saw from the van and cuts a log out of a downed tree on the side of the road. We rolled it over, put his jack on top, and bam, in business. I start taking the wheel off and, if you can believe it, I broke his tire iron. It was one of those collapsible ones and I wasn't careful and I snapped the head I needed clean off. No worries, he runs to the van, gives it to his wife and she is gone in a flash, down the road to buy a tire iron. She is back in 15 minutes, we finish the job with a little sweat and cussing, and I am a very happy man. We are both filthy and sweaty. I tried to put a 20 in the man's hand but he wouldn't take it, so I instead gave it to his wife as quietly as I could.